Welcome to Moving Mango. I'm Hannah, the creator of the Moving Mango method, and welcome back to our Ask Moving Mango series. Today we're talking about neutral position of the spine. So during our workouts, I talk a lot about keeping your back in neutral position and what is it. I will explain it right after this. So as you know, our spine has a beautiful S curve, and as professionals say, the lumbar spine is concave posteriorly, and then the thoracic here, the upper spine, will create like a convex. And if we are in the ideal alignment, the lumbar spine gonna be gently arched in, and then the thoracic spine gonna be like a C curve, but like very gentle. And so when we are in the ideal alignment, that means our spine gonna be in neutral curve that will have ourselves tension free, our body tension free, and you're not gonna feel any uncomfortable on your lower back or on the spine in general. When we move, it's really easy to get out of that neutral position. For example, like if I lay down like this, I put my legs up, but then I lower my legs, and then my core is not strong enough, like the muscles on the abs are not strong enough to hold my back. It's gonna slightly pull my lower back up, so easily got out of the neutral curve, and it have a lot of tension, have a lot of uncomfortable feeling on the lower back. And so that's why we always have to engage the core and use the core to pull the back to the neutral curve of the spine. That's also how we strengthen the abs as well. So strengthening the abs muscles is really important in Pilates and in general, because it helps us to always support the spine in tension-free move. The best way to control the movement of the spine is just having awareness of how your body is in neutral position. So for example, you're lying down like this, you will try to like move your hips forward and backward until you feel no tension on your lower back. Generally, it means you are in the neutral position, and everyone has a different in neutral position. In traditional Pilates, people used to have a belief that when you are in neutral position and your hips in neutral position, that means your hips have to be like really flat and equally here. And sometimes for a lot of people, due to different structure on the bones, it might create like a little bit tension on your lower back, and so we don't really want that. So I really support the idea of moving around until you feel that where you put your hips and your back in tension free. When you do that, some people might feel like this surface here is flat, but then some people might feel it's slightly and gently going up. So it's really due to your personal curve. So if you are a beginner in Pilates, it's really perfect for you to start with position that you feel tension free, that we call in neutral position. Good. How to keep your back in neutral position. Even when we move, we will just use the abs muscles, the whole core muscles to support and to hold and stabilize the hips here by just engaging your core. Pull the belly button in and inhale. And exhale, high your rib cage in, create like a flat surface. That's another way to feel the neutral position of the spine of the lower back is when you can try to put your hands under your lower back, and if you can put your whole hands under your lower back, that means your back is arching. And if you just get your hands down and bring your hips back to halfway, but I really want you to actually feel how you feel on your lower back. So that's the most important thing. Alright, and that's for today. If you have any questions, just let me know commenting below. I would like to answer in the Ask Moving Mango series, and I'm gonna see you tomorrow for the next workout. Bye bye.